Hey everybody, I am Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com. We help small businesses take it to the next level with internet marketing, but I do not want to talk about internet marketing today. What I want to talk about today is embracing change and thriving in uncertain times. A big topic right now with the coronavirus scare going on. So let's get started with that right now. So here is a big confession. I don't watch the news. I haven't watched the news in like 8 years because I feel like it holds me back from moving forward in my business and my life because it's all just surface level topics. There's a lot of scary stuff, negative stuff in there. I don't need that in my life. So how do I get my news? Well, if there's something big going on, I talk to people that I trust, that I know are intelligent, are going to give me well thought out answers. That's how Joe Burnich gets his news. I'm not telling you need to do that, but I'm just telling you that's my situation. Now, so I've talked to a couple people about the virus and the coronavirus scare that's going on right now. What happened was on Friday they announced that they were going to shut down the school system for I have two daughters, okay, 11 and 8 years old. And there was an email that went out and said, hey, we're going to close the schools down for a couple weeks. Okay. Wow, this is pretty serious. And then I go to Costco just to get some routine groceries, and the shelves are bare. I mean, the food is disappearing. Very eerie feeling. So now I'm like, okay, this is a big deal. Stuff's going to start, going down, or at least it's going to be, we're going to see some change within the economy, okay, which as a business owner, you will be affected by economic changes, as you know if you haven't already. So I had those little thoughts of fear. I felt some fear. Okay, I'm sure everybody during these uncertain times, here and there, have felt a little bit of fear and doubt and uncertainty. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about. And like in 2016, I read this article in Fast Company magazine about how to embrace change, and it gave a lot of characteristics of people that of business owners and entrepreneurs that seem to thrive during times of uncertainty and really know how to embrace change. So I'm like, what are the characteristics of these people, and how can we do that ourselves? How can we embody these same characteristics ourselves, especially during these uncertain times? Okay. And so I made a list here. It's a long article. I'm not gonna bore with you all the details, but I picked out 10 very simple characteristics that you can focus on and thrive during these uncertain times, because I know I'm going to. Number one characteristic that people have that are good at change are, number one, they're open-minded. Okay, they have an open mind. Okay, they don't close down. They don't clam up and shut down when something big happens, when change happens. Okay, when there's uncertainty, they open up. They're open-minded. Number two, they're willing to try new things. Okay, I'm getting ready to start some new stuff here. I put a bunch of stuff on hold, and now I'm going to try some new stuff that I've kind of had on the back burner for a while, because I think this is a great opportunity to build my online mastermind. That it's a little side business I've been working on to help entrepreneurs battle this kind of stuff. Number three, focus on abundance and gratitude. So what I've been doing the last couple of days, I pull out a notebook first thing in the morning. I don't open up my email or anything. I start writing down all of the advantages I have in life and all of the great things that are going on with me. Okay, I've got a great house, okay, with a low mortgage payment. Okay, I've got an amazing business with an awesome team. Okay, I like these people, and we're all going to pull through and handle this together. Okay. And I've got amazing kids. I've got an amazing girlfriend. I've got all this stuff that is going well in my life. That's what I'm focusing on. Not the, oh no, what if I lose half my clients tomorrow type of thing. I'm not focusing on that. Okay? If that happens, I will shift and I'll do something new. Okay? Number four, I don't play the poor me game. Okay? Do not be like, oh, poor me. Everything around me is crumbling. Poor me, poor me. What am I going to do about me? Okay? I don't play that game. Okay? And then number 5 is a sense of newness. Okay, with every downturn in the economy, with every crisis situation comes opportunity. There's more millionaires made in downturns than any other time throughout history. So start thinking about that, and don't play the poor me game. All right. Number 6. Have this attitude. You can even post this up somewhere that says, "From this situation, something good will come." Okay, you got to have faith, whether it's faith in a higher power, faith in yourself, whatever it may be. Know that out of this situation, something good will come. Good things are going to come out of this scare. Okay, and I don't know what they are yet. Good things always come out of scary, negative situations. All right. Number 7. You're human. You're allowed to make mistakes. You got to own those mistakes, though, okay? If you do something new and it doesn't work, it's okay. You're human. You made a mistake. You dropped the ball. You can pick that ball up and you can try something else. Make a list of 10 things you can do and start going down the list. If this one doesn't work, I'm going to try this one. If this one doesn't work, I'm going to try this one. You know what? It's kind of crazy. We work with a lot of cleaning companies. And one cleaning company in one populated area had some sort of quarantine situation, and their phone stopped ringing. So they called us up in a panic, and they're like, we might have to shut our business down, all this stuff. Okay. Same day, somebody in another populated area, another populated city, calls us up and says, "Hey, we got a quarantine thing going on right now. We want to ramp up the stuff on our website, all about our disinfection and sanitation services, like this home sanitation service." They are thriving. Okay, so two exact same businesses in similar situations. One's thriving and one's talking about closing the doors. Okay, so think about that. You can try new things, and it's okay if they don't work. Okay, and it's time for you to get creative and make a list of things that can work or possibly can work. Okay, number 8. Ask the question. Always be asking this question: how can I add value? You don't have to come up with a solution right away, but get your brain in this mode. Get your subconscious working on this. Ask yourself. Write it down before you go to bed. Put this question somewhere. How can I add value? How can I add value to other people's lives? Okay, so like the example I just gave, this person is saying, okay, people are worried about germs. We're going to add home sanitation services. And it's not a BS service. There are sanitation products out there. What do you think the hospitals use? What do you think clinics use? Okay, there are sanitation products out there. You can get a hold of these products and you can offer it as a service to your clients. Go in their home and desanitize everything, whatever that looks like. Okay. Now this one's very important. I left the two most important ones for the end. Number 9, spend time with positive people. If you spend time, okay, with a bunch of negative people who are complaining and they're worried and they're just shaking in their boots, okay, you're gonna feed off that, and it's gonna naturally seep into your consciousness. I don't care who you are. I don't care how strong of a mind you have. Hang out with positive people. And then number 10 goes right along with this. Stop hanging out with negative people. Okay? So, below this video, I'm going to put all 10 of these. Why don't you copy it, paste it, print it out, whatever, put it up on the wall. During times of uncertainty, you want to thrive. And there are people that will thrive. And they're going to embody these 10 characteristics. You got to ask yourself, which one are you going to be? Are you going to be the whiner, the complainer, the poor me guy? Or are you going to be the guy that embraces change and is like, how can I make this work for me and my clients, my family, and everybody around me? All right? So that's all I got for today. Like I said, my name is Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com. I hope this helps. Please make comments in the description section below, or in the comment section below, rather. And let's go out there and let's embrace change and let's thrive.